How to fix if WhatsApp keeps stopping. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, click on WhatsApp in here. After you click on WhatsApp, simply click on Force Stop. Then press on OK. After that, press on Permissions in here, which is the second option. After you click on Permissions, make sure permission is given to all the necessary medias like Files and Media, Microphone, and Camera. Then go back and click on Storage and Cache. In here, click on Clear Cache. After you click on Clear Cache in here, simply go back from Settings. Then open Play Store. In Play Store, search for WhatsApp. And instead of open, if there is update option, simply update. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. And last thing what you can do is restart your device and everything will be fixed. And this is how to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.